In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top of it. Select floating window and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on the same three dots and check out all of those. You can tap on full screen to use your app in full screen view again. You can tap on minimize to turn it into a bubble. And then click on the bubble to access your window. And you can also select close to close your app completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!